Superior RF transmission is a buzzword on the market today, and we see numerous different ways of trying to achieve maximum spectral efficiency and reliable, robust connectivity of devices. With the Sennheiser Digital 6000, we have created a superior system that is not only spectrally efficient, extremely robust, but also extremely easy to work with and set up. In this video, we will take you through the tools and the systems we have in place to ensure that you are getting the best and safest transmission of audio on the market today. RF robustness. What is exactly meant? So we've been talking about RF robustness. What does this really mean? Basically, we're talking about the ability to transmit reliably in situations where we have a lot of noise in the required operating frequencies. What we say is that there is a high RF noise floor. In situations like this, we see the so-called carrier to interference ratio shrink to levels where analog transmission would suffer dramatically. With digital transmission, we can still happily work with a CIR of 11 dB. This means that with the Digital 6000, you can be certain of having a robust wireless link, even in the most complex environments that would tax any other system. Transmission reliability, LQI. How do I evaluate the transmission robustness? What indications are available? As with all our wireless receivers, you have diversity metering available on the screen to show how strong the signal that the diversity receivers in the system are receiving is. This is a standard metering function that we have used for a long time now. With the Digital 6000, we have introduced a new meter to help you better understand the reliability of the system. We call this the Link Quality Indicator, LQI for short. We did this because the standard RF meters do not distinguish between RF noise or RF link. With the LQI meter, you are seeing an analysis of the signal quality in a simple-to-read graphical representation. This makes it easier for you to know if you are facing problems or not. LQI has 4 levels of quality, from 100% to 50%. No transmission errors. The audio quality is good enough to ensure 100%. From 49 to 20, there are going to be short errors here. You might find the error correction is active and possibly 1 or 2 audio artifacts. From 19 to 1%, there are frequent errors here. Audio correction or error correction is now active, and you are going to increase or have an increase of risk of audio dropouts. 0%. No transmission at all in this range. Dropouts are happening all the time, and error correction is going on overdrive. We're not going to work in this situation. True bit diversity. What else has been done to improve reliability? We have all seen the advantages of true diversity on the reliability of transmission, and it is safe to say that this method is totally accepted by the market as the safest way of working with RF transmission. For digital, we had the chance to develop further our systems for ensuring maximum reliability. To this end, we have created True Bit Diversity. True Bit Diversity is a proprietary solution from Sennheiser and utilizes multi-antenna receiving paths to combine the data being received by the fully independent receiver paths. By using the 2 independent data streams that are being transmitted, True Bit Diversity delivers a significant increase in signal strength. In complex environments, True Bit Diversity gives Digital 6000 much higher robustness than we have seen before. This is down to the fact that the signals are demodulated down to the bit level on each of both reception paths. They are combined regarding their strength and probability. Thus, signal quality benefits significantly in demanding RF environments. In this short video, we will give you a brief description about True Bit Diversity and the differences to True Diversity. True Diversity, as we've already said, is a standard reception format that is accepted in the industry as the best way to ensure strong robustness of signal reception. With True Diversity, we have 2 reception paths that are always receiving the same signal. Within the receiver, both these signals are measured regarding their strength, and the diversity path with the highest strength is chosen and used solely for further processing. True Bit Diversity is a proprietary solution from Sennheiser and is only found in the digital 9000 and the digital 6000. With true bit diversity, we have taken true diversity and expanded it to fit the needs of digital transmission. As you will see from the image on screen, with true bit diversity, we still have a dual reception path feeding two discrete receivers. After baseband processing, the signals are combined according to their signal quality and sent forward to a decoder for final bit decision. After this, they are then sent down the signal path for playback through your desired output path. Each soft bit that is received is compared and combined in the same way throughout the transmission. This ensures at all times the digital 6000 is giving you the very best audio at the output stage, with strong robustness of reception, whatever the environment you may be working in. Error concealment. Several measures had to be taken to guarantee best possible transmission reliability. From forward error correction to multi-stage predictive error concealment, transmission behavior at the limits becomes much smoother. If, in extreme receiving situations, the signal could not be decoded, the audio is soft muted.